Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if just Instagram just stuck on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, just try to close your app and open again, and if it doesn't help you, if you still have the server, so just go to the settings, and in the settings you just need to try to turn on airplane mode, wait a second and just turn it off. So after, if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again. If it doesn't help, if you still have the server, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the server, so you can also try the latest way. Just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.